AI Recommendations is a super cool feature in Knowi that will automatically generate insights and recommendations for a specific widget or a data set that you're interested in. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an AI Recommendations widget to your dashboard. So in my campaign performance dashboard here, I'm interested in generating insights and recommendations for my weekly conversions plot. So I'll go into settings, and I'm going to clone this widget and then add the clone to my dashboard. So now this widget is an exact copy of the original one, but it's acting independently. So I can make edits to this widget that won't affect the original. And I'm going to go back into settings and then change the visualization type to the recommendation widget. And now the AI model within Knowi is going to analyze our data set and come up with a series of insights and associated actions for our aggregated data set. So for example, number 1 says Facebook consistently outperforms other customers in total conversions, especially during holiday periods. And the recommended action is to allocate more resources to Facebook campaigns during peak seasons. There are a few customizations you can make to this widget. So if you go to the AI section of your settings, you can change which AI model Knowi uses. The default is the Knowi in-house AI, but you can connect your OpenAI accounts if you're interested in that, and we explain how to do that in other videos in the Knowi YouTube channel. You can also write prompts to provide additional context or to focus the AI recommendations. So for instance, if we're interested in LinkedIn specifically, we can now apply that instruction. And now you'll see that these recommendations and insights are specific to LinkedIn only. You can also go back to the data transformation tab and organize or aggregate, transform your data in any way to help guide the AI recommendations. So we'll rename this. And now you see that we've got this recommendations widget on our dashboard. And one other thing I'll note is that if you apply any drill downs or filters to your dashboard, it will also apply to this recommendations. So these will change based on any settings that you apply to the dashboard to help it stay in tune with all of your data.